The problem isn't that you feel tired all the time. The problem isn't that you may feel anxious too. The problem isn't that you struggle with bloating or you feel like you're being stuck in a cycle of having low energy. The problem isn't even the fact that you're feeling unmotivated right now or struggling to focus. The real problem is your gut is running the show more than you may realize, and your energy, your mood, and your skin, the success that you want to experience in life, it really all starts with what's happening inside your gut. And until we fix that, nothing really is going to change. Why do you think the saying is health is wealth? For a reason, okay? But there's always good news, because we can take control of how we show up. We can take control of the state of our gut health. And I want to get into that, but I don't want to be rude. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fafa, and that's F to the A, F to the A. Hey. Yes, that's my real name, y'all. I am a certified nutritionist, and I'm extremely passionate about topics like this, so get ready, because I really want y'all's health to be in top tier shape. That is my passion. That's what I care about. Why? Because I've been there. I've had the low energy. I've had the brain fog. I've had the sluggishness, not wanting to get up and do anything. I suffered really bad acne, weight gain, and hormonal imbalances. Y'all, can I speak? But I did make it to the other side, and I'm here and I'm thriving with impeccable energy and a bright mood. Can you tell? Okay. And my mental clarity is here. And if you haven't noticed, I have clear and radiant skin now. Hello? So I am not struggling with those things anymore. And I could go on and on and on, but this is what I want for y'all. This is what life is supposed to be. You're supposed to love the life that you live, and live the life you love. You know the song. Okay, anyway. But I know already that you are someone who is ready to take control of your health. You're not the type of person to wait for the perfect time. You understand that transformation, it starts with the choices that you're making. It starts with the choices that you're going to make today. Because I know that you're serious about getting your gut health in check, I know that investing in my ebook that's packed with easy healing recipes designed to help your transformation journey is a no-brainer for you. Grab my ebook right now in the description of this video or in my bio, whichever one you prefer. Because you're making this investment in your health today, I'm already proud of you for taking that first step. Baby, I got a sip to that. Let's talk about why your gut health is just so important. First of all, one thing people don't realize is how much our gut health impacts our daily life. And I mentioned it earlier, the fact that it affects our mood, our energy, and our ability to focus, is major. So I want to give y'all 3 tips to heal your gut. But first, I just want to touch on some facts, okay, that might just blow your mind. They did for me. One fact was being tired all the time. No matter how much I slept, y'all, my gut wasn't absorbing enough nutrients properly. So it was taking it from my body, and I would just feel drained all the time. My body wasn't really running on any fuel. It was really running on E, baby. Empty. Okay, so that was one key sign. 2, another fact is brain fog and mood swings. And this was big for me because I've always been told, you got mood swings. No, my gut health was just out of whack. It's not in my head. It's not in your head. It's in your gut. If you have been feeling like you just can't focus, that's because your gut and your brain, they're directly connected. And when your gut is out of balance, it sends distress signals that affects your clarity and your memory and even your emotions. Another fact is your gut really does control your happiness. And let me tell you why. It's not your mind. Something wild I learned was around 90% of serotonin, that feel good hormone, it isn't made in your brain. It's actually made in your gut. And when that's off, so is your mood. This is why anxiety and depression are so closely linked to gut health. And I find that absolutely crazy, right? But guess what? Most people don't even know that and have no idea about just how much our digestive tract, our microbiome, really does impact our daily life. And I'm gonna say, if I just blew your mind, even just a little bit, don't keep it to yourself. Like, that's kind of selfish. Send this video out to at least 3 people who you feel like need to hear this. It could be your mom, your sister, your bestie, baby, whoever. As long as we are healing together, we are winning together, okay? Now, we can get into the good part. Let's get into the good part. Hey. No, but seriously, I have 3 simple tips for you that are very powerful steps to healing your gut. Now, tip number 1, it's fire. And this is what I started off my year with last year. And that is detoxing your body, right? We're going to jumpstart our gut health by detoxing, because we're not just going to do like a couple day cleanse and call it a reset. No, we're gonna do a real detox, and a real detox is more of a long-term commitment. We're gonna undo all the years of built up toxins, all the years of processed foods and harmful chemicals that have been sitting in our body, that have been blocking us from feeling our best. Okay, God was so intentional when he created us. He designed our bodies to thrive on real whole foods, y'all, straight from the earth. Not that ultra processed food junk that literally just throws everything out of balance in our body. The further we stray from what God provided for us, the more we see the effects in our hormonal imbalances, in the fatigue we face, in our gut issues, and our mental health overall. I have some practical detox tips for you, and tip number 1 is drinking warm lemon water with a pinch of salt first thing in the morning. What this is going to do is stimulate your digestion. This took my detox game to a whole different level. Incorporating herbs like dandelion, for example, and burdock root to support your liver. Your liver is the main organ that is responsible for detoxifying. So your gut and your liver, they like this. They work together. So we want to help that. And our aim for our diet is to be high in prebiotics. We can find prebiotics in onions, garlic, bananas, because we want to naturally feed the good bacteria in our gut. Number 2 is to nourish your gut with fiber-rich foods. Fiber is the fuel your gut needs to thrive. Let me just say this. 95% of Americans don't get enough fiber. That's clear as day. Gut healing fiber sources to prioritize is like fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, coconut yogurt, for example. These are all good probiotics for your gut, okay? And resistant starches are like green bananas, cooked or uncooked, potatoes, lentils. They all feed and are beneficial. I also like to brag on dark leafy greens like kale and spinach. Now, tip number 3 is to start your day with gut-loving drinks. Now, this is my kind of tip right here. So we got to get creative, right? And to make our gut feel extra loved, water is essential, but hydration can be taken on a whole nother level. And it's even more powerful when you're incorporating gut healing drinks. And here are some gut loving drinks that work well for me, and they're going to work well for you too. Number 1 is herbal teas. Like I mentioned before, incorporate ginger, peppermint, and fennel, and watch how your bloating literally reduces. Now, green juice like celery, cucumber, lemon provide our bodies with electrolytes, and it supports our healthy pH balance in our gut. Also, bone broth. If you are not on a strict whole plant-based diet, bone broth is rich in collagen and glutamine, which does help repair the gut lining. Apple cider vinegar does help. If you drink it, it enhances your digestion and it stimulates the acid production in your stomach. These drinks do provide your body with hydration at a cellular level. So While also delivering all these nutrients, you're supporting your digestion and reducing inflammation. Okay? We're going to keep this microbiome thriving with these drinks. And this is why I created a gut healing glow recipe guide, because I have way more. I have 20 plus recipes for y'all to help you with simple, delicious recipes that fuel your body from the inside out. Because when your gut is thriving, baby, we are thriving. Hello? This isn't just my journey. It's ours. So I don't know about you, but I want us to glow together.